Keeping the beef supply chain operating as close to capacity as possible is a top priority of the National Cattlemen's Beef Association. It's not only critical for cattle producers, but the health of rural communities often depends on these plants as well. State and local authorities have been working to find solutions that keep these critical employees safe and processing plants open. Nebraska Governor Pete Ricketts spoke with NCBA's Beltway Beef about how his state is handling the impact of COVID-19 on processors in Nebraska.
We have set up weekly phone calls with all the processors to be able to talk about best practices. We've been working with the University of Nebraska Medical Center and Nebraska Medicine to send some of our experts out from there in a non-regulatory way just to take a look at the plants, see what else could be done to be able to improve social distancing. And what we see in the state of Nebraska is that a lot of this is about the concentration of people, that if you've got multiple generations of folks living in the same household, it's very hard to social distance.
Governor Ricketts told Beltway Beef his team is using a variety of different language communications to get the word to plant employees and to encourage them to social distance at home and work. The governor said the processors are making changes within the plants to protect their employees and to allow safe operations.
Right now, it definitely is a struggle. We've got our processing facilities operating way below their capacity, and we're very concerned, but they're working very hard to protect their folks as they come in. And frankly, Dr. James Lawler, who is one of our experts at the University of Nebraska Medical Center, said when he took the tours of some of these facilities, he was very impressed with the steps they're taking to be able to make sure they're keeping their teammates safe. People wearing masks, having their temperatures taken when they're coming in, sanitizing frequently those services that are touched often, really building plexiglass walls between workstations, looking for ways to be able to get people farther apart on the lines. So there are a lot of things that our processors are doing to really keep their folks safe. But it is certainly a challenge as we see this is a virus that spreads very rapidly, and we're working hard to keep all these facilities open.
To hear the full conversation with Governor Ricketts, you can get the Beltway Beef podcast by going to the website ncba.org.